Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be filming a watch me work and I will be showing you guys how I created this beautiful press-on nail set for my business. Alright, let's get into it. The colors I'm using are 604, 605, 607, 606, 608, and I'm using them in that order, and these are Beetles gel nail polish. The nails that I'm using are my standard long coffin nails, nothing too fancy. Alright, the first color I'm going in with, like I said, is 604. And you guys will notice that this kind of goes on weird. It goes on streaky with the first layer. I don't know what it is with Beetles, but like their lighter colors sometimes go on pretty streaky, but like once you build it up like 2 layers, it goes on pretty fine. Alright, the next color I'm doing is 605. This is like a pastel turquoise type of color. Is that turquoise? Or like a seafoam green. I'm not that good with colors, but yeah. And you'll notice that this one is more pigmented and it goes on less streaky. And the next color is 607. This is a pastel lavender. I really like this color. I want to create a set with just this color and like maybe a little bling on it. And just like the last color, this one goes on pretty pigmented and there is no streaks at all. And the next color is 606. This is like a pastel pink or like a soft pink, but it's still in the pastel family. This one goes on slightly streaky, but not as streaky as the first one. Alright, and the last color is a pastel yellow. It's a really soft yellow, and this is in the color 608. And as y'all see, I'm doing the yellow before I do that soft pink because that soft pink was like having trouble coming out the bottle. I don't know what it is, maybe because I haven't used them in a little bit, but it was coming out kind of weird when I first tried. Alright, and we're going to put this in the dryer again for 60 seconds, and then next we're going to do our top coat. And for my top coat, I'm using Beetles Top It Off Gel Top Coat. As y'all see, it came out so weird. I don't know what it is. It's like when I'm not filming, everything goes fine, but when I start filming, all of my polishes just start acting up. I don't know what it is. And we're going to put this in the dryer for 120 seconds. And then next we're going to move on to packing this. Alright, and this is how they look. You see the first one is not splotchy, it's not blotchy, it's no streaks, it looks good. Alright, Alright, and now I'm showing you the nails again, and these are both hands all done. Look at me putting on the top upside down. This customer also ordered these water slide decals and the print leopard. And I'm just showing you everything. That's her packing slip, my nail application instructions, and a thank you card. For my nails, I like to put them in a clear bag because I noticed when I first started shipping them, like they would be shook up when the customer got them and they wouldn't look as pretty like when I boxed them. And I know somebody in the comments is going to be like, oh, you're not paper friendly. You do not care about the earth. I do, but I really care about my customers and how everything looks. And I'm just showing you guys the nail application kit. Every press-on nail set comes with this. And then giving her 2 business cards because, you know, spread the word. A thank you card. Her name was Caitlin. And the nail application instructions. And is a free gift. I like to give a free gift in each order. That was an anchor necklace. Alright, and the next thing I'm doing is getting some bubble wrap. It's like a bubble wrap pouch so I can triple, quadruple protect my order. Alright, the first thing I'm putting in is obviously the nails, and I'm putting in the thank you card. Then I'm putting in the nail application instruction paper, 2 business cards like I mentioned before, and her free gift. And I'm also putting in the nail application kit. And I'm going to seal this up. Next, I'm going to gather everything up so that I can wrap my nails in some tissue paper. Alright, today I'm just using some pastel pink tissue paper. I believe that's pastel pink, check out. I'm not good with colors. And next I just have to tape this off, so watch me struggle with the tape for about a minute. Yeah, enjoy. In like the future when my business gets like a little bit bigger, more active, I want to get some custom tissue paper and like some custom packaging versus the USPS mailers that I use. I want to get something like more personalized, make it more cute and more girly. Alright, so watch me stack this and then struggle to force it inside and watch it not go. Woohoo, yay, struggle buzz. I love it. Alright, next I'm just sliding in the decals and the packing slip. I'm going to seal this up and I'm going to get her label so this can go out. For privacy reasons, I blurred the screen while I put on her label, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, don't forget to shop my press-on nails at www.katoribeauty.com. Link in description. Thank you so much. Have a good one.